Song. The Snack Time Song.
Cookies, cookies, 1, 2, 3. Cookies, cookies, 1, 2, 3. One for you, one for me, one for the teacher, 1, 2, 3. Apples, apples, 1, 2, 3. Apples, apples, 1, 2, 3. One for you, one for me, one for the teacher, 1, 2, 3.
The Snack Time Song.
Cookies, cookies,
1, 2, 3.
cookies, cookies.
1, 2, 3.
One for you, one for me.
One for the teacher. 1, 2, 3. Apples, apples.
1, 2, 3.
Apples, apples.
1, 2, 3.
One for you, one for me.
One for the teacher, 1, 2, 3.
Super Jojo!
Let's make some yummy snacks. E-I-E-I-O. Sweet snacks, oh, I love them.
E-I-E-I-O.
With some shiny red apples, with some shiny red apples, let's make some yummy snacks. E-I-E-I-O. Yes. Let's make some yummy snacks.
E-I-E-I-O.
Sweet snacks, oh, I love them.
E-I-E-I-O.
With some shiny red apples, with some shiny red apples, let's make some yummy snacks.
E-I-E-I-O.
Let's make some yummy snacks.
E-I-E-I-O.
Sweet snacks, oh, I love them. Here we go.
E-I-E-I-O. Mix them up.
Mix
time. Mummy is making a snack for Meg, Charlie, and Dex. Let's see. There are sandwiches. There are bananas. There is juice. And there are biscuits.
I'm hungry. Ooh, look, buddy. Biscuits. 1, 2, 3, 4 for you. And 1, 2, 3, 4 for me.
Children, it's snack time.
Okay.
There are sandwiches. There are bananas. There's juice. And... Where are the biscuits? Are they here? No. Are they here? No. Let's see. There are sandwiches. There's juice. There are bananas. But there aren't any biscuits. Are you hungry, children?
Yes, I'm hungry. Yes, I'm hungry.
No, I'm not hungry. Oh.
Why, Dex? I know! The biscuits! Dex! Buddy!
Oops, sorry.
It's reading time! Get up on your feet!
Snack Time for Cow by Michael Dahl. Baby cow likes to snack. In the morning, baby cow asks, "What's for snack?" "A banana, a pear, and a chunk of cheese," answers Mama Cow. In the afternoon, baby cow asks, "What's for snack?" "Carrot sticks, cherry tomatoes, and sugar snap peas," answers Mama Cow. In the evening, baby cow asks, "What's for snack?" "Yogurt and applesauce with cinnamon," answers Mama Cow. "That's all the snacks for today," says Mama Cow. "Moo, moo, moo. Thank you," says baby cow. "More snacks tomorrow." The end.